guys, today I'm gonna be installing the carbon fiber spoiler on the Kia Stinger. So I already put the 3M double-sided tape on the spoiler. Now I'm just adding some alcohol just to prep the surface. Make sure there's no oils, contaminants, and just make it way better for the 3M tape to stick. So we're just gonna wait for that to dry, and then we're gonna go ahead and try to install this spoiler in it. So let's get some more lighting in here. Okay, let's go ahead and move the camera. Gonna go ahead and try to install this spoiler. So as you guys can see, I went ahead and installed and put some double-sided tape in it because it came without anything. So try to peel this tape. Alright guys, so car's done. Super dirty though. I have it outside. Getting some of the sun in today. Hopefully help the spoiler 3M stick really good. I think it looks dope. What y'all think? Super clean. Yep. Alright guys, so what I'm gonna install next is gonna be the side skirts right here, and hopefully next weekend I'll be able to install the Adro V2 version. Just I haven't received the side winglets for it, so I only have the middle piece right now. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.